Yeah, we designed models, ORM models for user entities and transaction models, right? And the remaining entities, the remaining objects are, we have payments, places and transactions, and vehicles also, right? Transactions are what? Yeah, vehicles and places and payments. In payments we have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 classes. Yeah, let's start with coupon. Coupon class is having properties coupon ID and minimum maximum amount and discount amount and date. Validity up to which date. So for this coupon, create one mapping file. For coupons, one mapping files, mappings dot coupons, mappings for payment. Here create one for coupon, coupon.hbm.xml file. Yeah, this coupon is not having any associations, just a simple properties it have, just a simple properties only it have, super rent, supercar, coupon, and we have properties coupon ID. For coupon ID you can use generator, increment and min amount and max amounts and discount amount and validity date. Discount amount and valid up to, it's a date type. Yeah, valid up to, expiry date, this one is. And we have one more entity, demand draft. For demand draft it is having dependency of payment. So for one payment, how many demand drafts we can have? We thought multiple or one? One payment can have multiple demand drafts. Yeah. So one demand draft it can have, one demand draft should have only one payment. Multiple demand drafts can be belongs to same payment. So many to one. Demand draft relationship, here it is many to one. Demand draft hvm.xml file. Here payment demand draft supercar demand draft, and demand draft parameters are DD number, DD number in the sense DD, on top of DD they will provide numbers, right? That numbers are integers or any data types they may provide. DD numbers are only numbers they will give, right? Some 16 digits number they'll provide. So then take string here. If it is not valid, use string. If it is a string, user need to pass, right? Number. Okay. DD number. If it is a string type, we can't able to apply auto incrementations. So auto incrementation not required here. DD number user need to pass. DD number is user input. And bank name. Branch name.
Bank name and DD number would be the primary key here.
With the same number it may will it repeat?
No. For a different bank it could repeat. It is a 6-digit number.
Then use composite primary key here. The combination of bank and DD number.
So otherwise better generate one primary key.
Huh?
Better generate one ID.
Actually, yeah, these values should be unique key constraints. If it is a unique constraint, he is saying if there is a chance to get, I mean, one more DD with same number if you get, then it will not allow that user to enter DD, right? So he is saying multiple banks, they may have same DD numbers. SBI DD number, ICICI also it may have. So in that case, DD number should not be unique constraint, right? If it is a primary key, by default it will become unique constraint. So better to make it composite ID. Composite ID key columns. Key property, one is DD number and one more bank name. One is DD number and one is bank name and one is branch. The remaining properties branch, amount, deposit date, expiry date and payment. Deposit date, expiry date. You can use expiry date. And a demand draft is having relationship of many to one with payment. So here many to one property, payment, and the payment class name, payment from same payments package. And one column, payment column, payment ID. Yeah, and next one, driver charges. Driver charges mapping file. Driver charges.hvm.xml file. So for driver charges, the model name is driver charges and the table name supercar driver charges, schema supercar. And in driver charges we have properties driver charges ID. You can use here increment and the remaining properties hourly charges, per day, per night, hourly per day, hourly per night, complete day and complete night, per week, per month, and waiting charges. and insurance. Yeah, along with the driver charges, better to give vehicle charges also here, right? You can create vehicle charges also here. Vehicle charges. Under vehicle charges ID. Use it as primary key. And the remaining properties, same properties we have. Extra charges per kilometer one is. And waiting charges per minute we have. Hourly charges per day. I think all these are same, right? Per night, day, week, month. And we have one associated property here, vehicle type. So for one vehicle type, one type of charges we need to use. So 1-to-1 relationship. So in case of 1-to-1 relationship, use generator foreign. Use here one property, 1-to-1 property. 1-to-1 property name is here vehicle type, and the class name vehicle type class from vehicle. So pass a param property, and the property value is vehicle type. Yes. And the next one, insurance. Insurance.hbm.xml file. Insurance ID. Insurance class name, for insurance table name, insurance table. Insurance ID is the primary key. Use increment. And insurance car, many to 1. Insurance company name, insurance company name, insurance day amount, and renewal date. How many times insurance taken for that vehicle. And one more property is insurance types. Insurance is having association with insurance type. It is having relationship with car and insurance types. So those two are many to 1 only, right? Insurance type and cars. A insurance can have, insurance table can have any number of cars, and a insurance can have any number of insurance types. Both are many to 1. Okay, one insurance, it can have any number of, one car, it can have any number of insurances. One insurance type can have for the number of insurances. Many insurances can be from one type, right? In the same way, many insurances belongs to one car. For one car, we can have any number of insurances, and that insurance types, one insurance, I mean many insurances, they may belongs to one type of insurance. So here both are many to 1. One is car and one is insurance type. So car class, it belongs to vehicle. For insurance types, it is from same package, right? From payments itself.